In the early 1900s, the North Atlantic was a vast, unending sea, teeming with life. Among its many denizens, none were more majestic than the mighty blue whale. Yet, these leviathans were not destined for a peaceful coexistence with mankind. The whaling industry, fueled by insatiable human curiosity and the lure of wealth, had turned the blue whale into a hunted prize. Their enormous size made them an easy target, and their oil was coveted for lamp fuel, while their meat was a valuable source of protein. By 1931, the blue whale population had plummeted by 90%. In response to this crisis, a few brave souls rose to defend these gentle giants. One such individual was a young naturalist named Edwin H. Shuckman. He was determined to bring an end to the senseless slaughter of the blue whale. Shuckman, along with a small group of like-minded individuals, embarked on a mission to raise awareness about the plight of the blue whale. They traveled from town to town, educating the public about the importance of conservation and the impending extinction of the blue whale. Their efforts met with resistance from the whaling industry, which saw them as threats to its profits. Despite this, Shuckman and his team persisted, gathering support from scientists, politicians, and the general public. In 1935, their perseverance paid off. The U.S. government passed the first legislation to protect the blue whale, establishing the North Atlantic Whale Sanctuary. Other nations soon followed suit, and the hunting of blue whales was gradually phased out. The story of the blue whale serves as a reminder of the power of human determination and the importance of conservation efforts. Today, while the blue whale population has yet to fully recover, it is a testament to what can be achieved when we stand up for the protection of our planet's most majestic creatures. In the words of Edwin H. Shuckman, the blue whale is not just a symbol of the ocean's vastness, it is a symbol of our own potential to change the course of history. Let us continue to strive towards a future where such changes are made for the betterment of all life on Earth.